Hello, viewers, learners. Today is Ambedkar Jayanti, 14th April 2021. Today is birth anniversary of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. So, it is our duty to commemorate and remember this great genius who is the architect of the Constitution of India. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was a great scholar, politician, jurist, economist, maker of New India. This great scholar was born on 14th April 1891 at a place now called Dr. Ambedkar Nagar in central provinces now known as Madhya Pradesh. Ramji Maloji Sakpal was his father. He was a Subedar in the British Indian Army. Then his mother's name was Bhima Bai Sakpal. Bhimrao Ambedkar was admitted to Infantine High School, Mumbai. When he was at the school, he had racial and caste discrimination over there. He had discrimination, caste discrimination there. There was a peon of the school who poured water upon his pot to drink him water. When the peon was not available at the school, Bhimrao Ambedkar could not drink water there. Later, Ambedkar wrote this thing in a book: no peon, no water. Then Bhimrao Ambedkar was admitted into Elephantine College, University of Mumbai. He graduated in economics there. Then he did his post-graduation in economics from the University of Mumbai. Then Bhimrao Ambedkar got himself admitted at Columbia University, Newark, USA. He did his MA in economics there. He got doctorate in economics from Columbia University, Newark, USA. From USA he moved to England. He got himself admitted at London School of Economics and he did DAC from there. He also obtained a degree in law and came to India. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar became the Minister of Labour in British India. Then Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was made the Prime Minister of India. When India became free, he was the first law and justice minister. After getting independence, a constituent draft committee was constituted. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was assigned the duty of drafting Indian Constitution or the Constitution of India. It is said that Dr. Ambedkar studied constitutions of the world and he made a constitution, he drafted a constitution for India by himself. Dr. Ambedkar stood for social justice and equality. He fought for social justice and equality and social and against social and caste discrimination. Towards his later life, Bhimrao Ambedkar gave up Hinduism and he embraced Buddhism. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar breathed his last on 6 December 1956 in New Delhi. Let us compliment this towering personality, this great personality. Let us remember him, let us salute him. That's all.